Good morning students. Today exercise 3.9 same graph. Fill in the blanks. Y equal to px where p belongs to z. What now z value is, what is the value? 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. So passes through the dash. First 0. X instead of you writing 0. 0 into p equal to what is the answer? 0. So definitely this line is passes through the point is 0, 0. So that is called the origin. So what is the answer? The right origin is enough. The intersecting the points of the line x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 4 is dash. X value is 4, y value is minus 4. So x 4 minus 4. So meet it up. Come the point is, what is the point? 4, minus. Next question, scale for the given graph. On the x-axis 1 centimeter. See the graph here, this is the x-axis. 0 next is start the number, 2 side also see 3 minus 3, 6 minus 6. Difference is, what is the difference? 3, 3 only different. Therefore x-axis 1 centimeter is 3 units. Y-axis 25, 50, 25, 25 increase. Now y-axis value equal to 25 centimeter. Now x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 3 units, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 25 units. True or false? The points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 lies on the same straight line. Roughly you draw one column. X, O, X dash, Y, O, Y dash, right. Mark the point 1, 2, 3. Here you mark the point 1, 2, 3. 1, 1 join the line, 2, 2 join the line, 3, 3 join the line. This line is one straight line. Draw the line, 3 points also simply draw. One straight line is coming. So given the statement is true. Y equal to minus 9x not passes through the origin. So minus 9x, how to the write? Minus 9 into x. Minus 9 into 0 equal to 0. So definitely come the origin question from the given in not passes through the origin. So not, for you write it, the statement is wrong, false you write. Third question, will a line pass through 2, 2 if it intersect the area, intersect the axis at 2, 0 and 0, 2. So what is the meaning of this? Mark the points 2, 0 and 0, 2 on the graph. Here x, y you write. 2, 0 up you write in x axis, y axis. Y for no variable, x for you want to mark a point 2. See the graph. 2, 0. 2, 0, x axis, 0 next 1 to 2, 0 you mark. Next point is 0, minus 2. Next point is 0, 2 mark on the y axis, x value is no variable. So y axis for you write in 0, 2. Join these 2 points. Use the scale and join the 2 points very correctly there. Put in the arrow mark. So what is the question is there given? Will a line pass through the point 2, 2 they are asking. This line joining, no, this line is passes through in 2, 2. Where is there having 2, 2? See there 2 x axis from 2 y axis. Here joining this line. See that this point only 2, 2. Now draw the line is joining here. No. So given the point 0, 2, 0 and 0, 2 not passes on the 2, 2 points. So simply you keep the point only enough. 2, 2 dot line to join is not passes through on 0, 2 and 2, 0. So what is the final answer there? The point 2, 2 does not satisfy the equation. The point 2, 2 does not satisfy the equation. Therefore, the line does not join the Pass through the point 2, 2 is the answer. A line passes through 4, -2 and intersects the y-axis at 0, 2. Find a point on the line in the second quadrant. What is the question? First, they are given in the 2 point. You mark on the graph first. See there, what is the first point? Solution write and given points. Solution given 2 points. 4, -2. Next y-axis at 0, 2. First 0, 2 you mark. Here you write in x, here y. Here x, y. X axis 0 is no variable. Y for you write in 2. Where is the point? 0, 2 is here. See there. Y axis, x axis 0, y axis 2c. 0, 2. This point only, what is the point? 0, 2. Given point 4, -2. 4, -2. 2 also meeting point 4, -2. 4, -2. What is the question? A line passing through 4, -2 and intersect as y-axis at 0, 2. So this line to passing line, this point to passing this line, where that meeting, see there. Very correctly keep the point and draw a line, straight line. Okay, this line is passing through second quadrant to passing this line. You point any mark also, you point there. So first quadrant this one, this is second quadrant. See there where the touching here -2, next 4. This point only there passing through the line. So second quadrant to passing through the point is, what is the point? X axis -2, y axis 4, -2, 4. Here write it the answer. Second quadrant lying point. Second quadrant point is -2, 4. You divide the graph as usually. First you mark the point 4, -2. Next you mark the point 0, 2. You join this line straightly. This line is passing, meeting the point is -2, 4. Second quadrant to write it 1 point. There enough. Fifth question. If the points P5, -3, Q -3, 3, R -3, -4 and S from S form a rectangle, then find the coordinate of S. So given the shape is, what is that given there? A rectangle is that given. Rectangle for how many points is there? Need 4 points. P, Q, R. The S value is there not give. You find the S value. P is given, the point is 5, 3. Q -3, 3. R is -3, -4. Now what is there? One, write a rectangle, opposite angles, opposite sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This concept to you mark the point and draw the line and find the S value. What is the value of P value? 5, 3. X axis, Y axis. X, Y, here minus 4 you put in the dash. X dash, Y dash. So x axis 5, y axis 3. 5, 3 first you want to mark that. See the graph, fifth line. X axis 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth, and y axis for 3. 1, 2, 3. The two lines also, keep the finger and join. The two lines also meeting this point is, what is the pointer? 5, 3. P right and 5, 3 right. First point. Second point is -3, 3. See the second quadrant, -3 and 3. Two lines also coincide the point. -3, see the line, and +3. Two lines also meeting point. This point only, what is the point? -3, 3. Put in the dot and write minus 3 comma 3. What is the point P next? PQ. R point is minus 3 comma minus 4. Minus 3 x-axis, minus 4 y-axis. Meeting point. Minus 3 and minus 4. Meeting point is, this point is, what is the point? Minus 3 comma minus 4. This point is PQR. S point. What is the rectangle? Parallel sides are equal. First you join P and Q first. P and Q join the points. Next Q and R. This parallel side also you join here. This point up to you want to join the line. Here parallel to this PQ parallel to want to draw the line in down. So PQ parallel to RS. Come meeting point is, what is the point? S point you write. What is the point? Here what is the number is here? Have 5. 5 x-axis, y-axis minus 4. 5 comma minus 4 is the S point. So find the point, there you write 5 comma minus 4. So S point is, what is the point? Asking question also, find the coordinate of S. S point equal to minus 5 comma minus 4 is the answer. What is the concept? This sum for rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Here what is the line that parallel to you want to draw in RS line. Here PQ RS line to you parallelly want to draw in PS line. So meeting the point is, what is the point there? 5 comma minus 4. Here to only find and there you write. 6th sum. A line passes through 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. And another line passes through minus 3 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3. What are the points to be joined to get a trapezium? Only asking question. The given in the points is, what is the point? First 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. First you draw the line and mark a point and draw a line. First work. So draw a graph as usual. Divide the graph. Then write it the scale x dash y dash and all the one you mark it. First point is, what they marked there? 6 comma 0. 6 comma 0 is here. So x axis, y axis, x for you write in 6. Y axis for there 0 comma 6. These 2 points first you join. First work, first 2 point mark after you join these 2 points. Correctly want to draw the line first. Second work is, what is the point is that given? Minus 3 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3. These 2 points also mark the same graph and draw a line. See there, minus 3 comma 0 here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 comma 0 here, 0 comma minus 3. These 2 lines also you draw. The question from what is that given? Given the 4 points, you draw the trapezium only they are given. Okay, now how to draw the trapezium there? 1 minute. Already here join the line. Now you want to join here. These 2 points you want to join. Next, this 2 point also you join there. So which 2 line join after come the trapezium shape there? 0 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 0 join after only come the trapezium shape. Here 6 comma 0 and 0 comma join the line after only come the trapezium. So write it the answer. How to they write them? You get a trapezium. You get a trapezium. Which 2 points ma? 0 comma 6 minus 3 comma 0 and 6 comma 0 0 comma minus 3. So write it the answer. You get it the trapezium 0 comma 6 minus 3 comma 0 and 6 comma 0 0 comma 3. Draw after only get it the trapezium shape. Find the point of intersections of the line joining points minus 3, 7, 2, minus 4 and 4, 6, minus 5, minus 7. Also find the point of intersection of these lines and also their intersections with the axis. So what is the question? Given here 4 points minus 3, 7, 2, minus 4, 4, 6 and minus 5, minus 7. First these 2 points mark the point on the graph sheet and join the line first. First given the point, this one first you draw. Minus 3, 7, 2, minus 4. What the right? X, Y. X, Y. Minus 4 you put in the dash. Minus 3, 7. X dash for you see the number is minus 3. Y for you see the number is 7. See here. Minus 3, 7. Minus 3 here. Y axis for 7. 2 line also meeting point. 3 minus 3, 7. 2 also meeting. Confuse means 3 minus 3 for keep in the scale. Minus 7 to you find this point here coming. 2 lines also meeting point is what is the pointer? Minus 3, 7. Next 2, minus 4. 2 is x axis. 2, minus 4 is y axis. 2 to minus 4. Minus 4 to keep the line. 2 to draw the line. 2 lines also meeting point is what is the pointer? 2, minus 4. These 2 lines also must you join there. Bigly join, put in the arrow mark. Next point is what is there given? See the second point 4, 6 minus 5, minus 7. X, Y here x dash, y dash. 4, 6 x axis. First quadrant 4, 6. 6 to keep correctly there. Fourth line. These 2 lines also meeting point is the right in 4, 6. X axis from 4. Y axis for 6. 4, 6. Next point is minus 5, minus 7. There come the third quadrant. All the one is minus. Minus 5, minus 7. 2 lines also meeting point. Confuse means keep the scale and draw. Okay, minus 5 to keep the scale. Minus 7. 2 lines also meeting point is what is the point there? Minus 5, 7. Correctly mark. Minus 5, minus 7. Now these 2 lines also 4, 6 and minus 5, 7 you join there. Put in the arrow mark. Now 2 lines also meeting point is what is the point you want to find there. Here too you see there 0 next small line. Count the line. Point 0, 0.1, 0, 0.2, 0, 0.3. Joining the 2 lines also. Minus 3, 7, 2, minus 4. First you join. Join after. This is what is the axis? X axis. This is what is the axis? Y axis. This line x axis from meeting point here. 0 next 0.0 small line you count 0.1 0.2. Y axis for here to you count 0, 0.1 0.2 0.2 to join that line. For the first line only consider that, should not consider the second line. So meeting point x axis what is the point? 0.2 to joining next 0 0.2, 0. Here y axis for 0, 0.2 you write. So write the answer. How to the write? First this 2 line for joining over. Minus 3, 7 and 2, minus 4 intersect point is what is the point on x axis? First 0.2. See here 0.2 here to write. Next which point to come there? 0 2. So 0.2, 0 you write. Y axis 0, 0, 0.2 you write. Next line join 4, 6 and minus 5, minus 7. These two line is passing through the line here. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. X-axis for here all the one minus value 0 to only starting there. So x-axis which point to touching there? 0.2, 0.2 minus 0.2, minus side for what the writer? Minus 0.2, 0 x-axis. Y-axis, here only y-axis 0, 0.2. So see the answer, x-axis minus 0.2, minus 0.2, 0, y-axis 0, minus 2. Minus 0.2, 0, y-axis 0, 0.2. What is the question? Draw the two lines. These 2 point, keep the point the graph and draw the line. Next point, keep the graph and point the line. Two line also intersecting point is x-axis, y-axis. First line from what is the point? Second line from what is the point? Find out the answer. This is the intersecting points. Next is some very easy. Draw the graph of the following equations. X equal to minus 7 first question. Y equal to 6 is the second question. X is minus value. You see the x axis or x dash axis? X dash. So x dash for where is there having 7? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. There keep in the point. See that very carefully, very easy the sums. You draw the straight line is enough. That point to coincide and draw the straight line. You put the arrow mark there. Given the equation you write x equal to minus 7. That's all over the sum. Second question is what is that given? Y equal to 6. Y axis for plus value or minus value? Plus value. See the here. 6 here only there have. So keep the point there. You draw the line, coincide the point and draw the line very carefully. Here put the arrow mark. Here given the equation is what is the equation? Y equal to 6. That's all the sum. Draw the graph of the following. X equal to minus 7, y equal to 6. Very easy the sum. X axis for you write it minus 7 here, keep in the point and draw the line straightly. This is equation, must write x equal to minus 7. Here y axis for keep the y from 6, there y equal to 6, draw the line, equation right means over the work. So whatever you write there x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash, scale x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, must want write. This is right means easy, very easy the 8th sum. 9th sum from the given in the 3 sum. Draw the graph of y equal to 3x. So solution you write and you select the point. Let we take points B. You select the number x equal to minus 1, 0, 1. You select the numbers. This is your own decision only. Okay. So first one is what is the x value? X value equal to minus 1. Given the equation is what is the equation? Y equal to 3x. Second value equal to second one. X value equal to what is the value? 0. Next third one, x value equal to what is the value? X equal to 1. So where to you write this here x value? Here given in y equal to 3x, x value want to substitute, you select the number minus 1, 0, 1. You take in minus 2, 0, 2 also correct there. Now I am taking in 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. So x equal to minus 1, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. This all the one for first to put it the line. Very easy, listen. X equal to 3x, y equal to 3x, here also write, y equal to 3x. What is the meaning of 3x? Y equal to 3 into x, y equal to 3 into x, y equal to 3 into x, y equal to 3 into x value is what is the value? Minus 1. So substitute here. Multiple the number, 1, 3 is 3 minus 3. Now y equal to 3 into 0, 3, 0, 0. Now y value equal to 0. y equal to 3 into x value is 1. 1 3 is 3. Now y value equal to 3. Now x equal to, here first point, x value equal to what is the value? Minus 1. Get it the answer also? Minus 3. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. X equal to 1, y equal to 3. So plot the points first. Plot the points. X equal to minus 1 for, you start the bracket minus 1 comma minus 3. First point. Second point 0 comma 0. Third point 1 comma 3. Third point is 1 comma 3 you want to mark there. First work is completed. Now these points you want to mark on the graph sheet. Okay, divide the graph as usual and do it the work. Come the points minus 1 comma minus 3, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 3. These numbers you mark there. This is what is the axis? X dash, Y dash. Origin, this is one X comma Y. Minus 1 comma minus 3, X dash, Y dash. See that X dash, Y dash. Minus 1 comma minus 3. Minus 1 is here. The minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Two lines also coincide. That point is, what is the point? Minus 1 comma 3. Put the point and round minus 1 comma minus 3. Write it. Next point is, what is the point? 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is the origin. There you mark 0 comma 0. Next point is 1 comma 3. 1 is here and 3 is there. Two lines also coincide. That point is, what is the point? 0 comma 1 comma 3. This point, 3 points also you join there. And put the arrow mark. So what is the question? Y equal to 3x. This equation must write on the line. Y equal to 3x. So whatever you want, write x, x dash, y, y dash. Right after, mark the points. Then scale. X axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. Y all the one is different is 1 1. So write it x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Given the what is the answer and all, find that you write it the points. X is minus 1 minus 3 0 0. Next 1 comma 3. These 3 points also there you mark and join the line. Mark after join the line. The right must you write in y equal to 3x you write it. Next question, y equal to x minus 4. The same also let we take the points numbers. What is the number? As usual you select the number is minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. You selecting minus 2 0 2. Any number also select, you write it the numbers. First is what is that? Selecting x equal to, here x value equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. First one. Second one, x equal to 0. Next one, x equal to 3. X equal to 1. This is that you selecting the 3 numbers, the write in x you write and write. Next work, write it the equation. Y equal to x minus 4. 3 also write. Y equal to x minus 4. Y equal to x minus 4. Now equal to side equal to x value is what is the value? Minus 1. Here minus 4. 2 also minus symbol. Put it the same symbol and add the number minus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 5. Y equal to x value equal to 0. 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. Now here y value equal to 0. Y value equal to minus 4. Next y equal to 1. X value equal to 1 for x equal to 1 minus 4. Here have the minus 4. There you write 1 minus 3. This is plus number. This is the minus number. Subtract the number minus 3. Greater number symbol is minus 3. Now x value equal to minus 1. Y value equal to minus 5. X equal to 0. Y equal to minus 4. X equal to 1. Y value equal to minus 3. Come the answer. Write in the points. Plot the points. What is the point? X equal to minus 1. First you write in here x equal to minus 1 for minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 comma minus 5. First point. Second point 0 comma 0 answer is what is the answer? Minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. Now x value equal to 1 comma minus 3. You mark the point. These points and all where you want to mark a graph sheet to want to mark. Now then before you write in x dash y dash minus value for. Here x is no variable, y dash x y dash. First point is minus 1 comma minus 4. You divide the graph as usual and write it x o x dash y o y dash, scale all the one right after. You want to mark the point. Minus 1 comma minus 5 is second quadrant. Minus 1 comma minus 5 here have. Minus 1 is x axis, minus 5 is y dash axis. 2 also meeting point. This point only what is the point? Minus 1 comma minus 5. First point. Second point 0 comma minus 4. 0 minus 4 in the same axis only. Here you write in 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. Next 1 comma minus 3. 1 straightly and 3 straightly coincide. This point is 1 comma minus 3. Your work is very, what is the work? 1, 2, 3, right? Very smallly you write it enough. Bigly write means not possible to mark here. Now you join the 3 lines. Scale keep and bigly you join the lines. See there? Join the line. 3 points also meeting points. Now equation is, what is the equation is? Question y equal to x minus 4. This question there you write. Y equal to x minus 4. That's all over the sum. X axis minus 1, 3. My x axis minus x dash minus 1, 3. Here x, y. Next x comma y. First mark the point x dash for, you see the number is minus 1. X dash for minus 1 is there. So 3 is y axis. Here is 3. 2 also meeting point is there. You write in minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 3 is the point. Next question. Next point 0 comma 5. 0 is x axis. Y is 5 is y axis. So here write in 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. Next number 1 comma 7. 1 straightly you write in 7 there. 1 and 7. 1 pointer, 1 number and 7 meeting point is, what is the pointer? 1 comma 7 correctly mark. 1 comma 7. These 3 points also join. Using the scale and join the 3 points very carefully. Join after put in the arrow mark. So equation is, what is the question is equation? You write y equal to 2x plus 5 is the equation. Write it there. Y equal to 2x plus 5. 10th sum, you should not draw the graph. You find the values only. So what is the box for empty? You want to find it the answer enough. You should not draw the graph. Find the values. Y equal to x plus 3. This is the equation. Here x value equal to 0. Here y value equal to 0. There x value equal to minus 2. Y value equal to minus 3. So 4 sums. 1, 2, 3 dash for you want to find in the 4 sums. First x value equal to 0. First question. Second question y equal to 0. Second question. Third question x equal to minus 2. Fourth one is y equal to minus 3. You want to write it the sum first. Next step you write it the equation. Y equal to x plus 3. 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 All the question for also you write. First this sum. First sum x value equal to 0. So x instead of you want to substitute that value is 0 plus 3 equal to 3. X equal to 0. You get it the answer also y equal to 3. First step. Second one, y equal to 0. So y straightly you write it the 0, x plus 3. This plus x left side change into the minus symbol. 0 minus x equal to 3. 0 minus x equal to minus x equal to 3. X equal to, so here minus symbol, there you change in the plus symbol change into the minus symbol. X equal to minus 3. Now y equal to 0, get it, the answer is minus 3. Now x equal to minus 2. Third question, x equal to minus 2. So x instead of you substitute that value is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. 2 also different symbol. 3 minus 2 is 1. Y equal to 1 is the answer. Fourth question, y equal to minus 3. So y value for only substitute that value. Y straightly you substitute in minus 3 is equal to x plus 3. Now minus 3. This plus 3 left side change into the minus symbol. Minus 3 equal to x. X not moving here. So minus 3 is what is the value? Same value. You put it in the same symbol and add the number 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So what is the answer? You coming, you write. That how like keeping in the column in the question, you also draw x, y column. First question is, what is the question? 0. 0 for what is the answer? 3. So 0 straightly you write in 3. Next here y for 0, get it, the answer is minus 3. So here 0, there you write in minus 3. Now minus 2 for, get it, the answer is 1. Minus 3 for, get it, the answer equal to minus 3 for, get it, the answer is minus 6. Put in the column what is the question, what is the answer is coming. You want to write it the answer, there you get it the answer. Y equal to x plus 3 equal to, come the tabular column to draw and you write it the answer. Next B question, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. They are given in the column for xy column. X is 0. First sum. Second sum, y equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. Solution write and write it. X equal to 0. Next, y equal to 0. Next, x equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 2, you write it first. Right after, given the equation, you write 2x plus y. First to write it the 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the dash? Filling the column, you write it the sums first. Next, write it the question. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. To start the bracket, x value equal to what is the value? 0. Next symbol plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now y minus 6, 0, leave it there. Y minus 6 equal to 0. Y equal to minus 6, right side change into the plus symbol. 0 plus 6 equal to what is the answer? 6. Y equal to 6. Next question, y equal to 0. Where is the y? You want to substitute that value is y equal to 0. Write it the question, 2x plus 0. Y for what is the answer? 0 minus 6. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x equal to 6. Minus 6, right side change into the plus symbol. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. Now 2x meaning is 2 into x into change into the divide. 6 minus 2. X equal to 1 2 is to 3 2s are 6. X value equal to 3. Next, x equal to minus 1, substitute this equation. X instead of you substitute the number is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus y minus 6. These two number also not moving in right side. Same work only want to do. Minus symbol 2 also. So put in the same like symbol and add the number. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. 8 equal to 0. Y equal to minus symbol now only moving to the right side, plus symbol. 0 plus 8 equal to 8. Now y value equal to 8 is the answer. Next, y equal to minus 2 you write it. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus y value equal to minus 2 minus 6. Plus into minus minus. 2x minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. 2x 2 also like symbol. So put in the same symbol and add the number 8 equal to 0. Minus 8 right side change into the plus symbol. 0 plus 8 equal to 8. 2x equal to 8. X equal to 8 by 2. So 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. X equal to 4 is the answer. Now what is the column is that given? 0. 0 for what is the answer? 6, right? 0 6. Next down 0. Up answer is what is the answer? 3. So 3 0 you write. Next minus 1. 8. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. You fill the column. What is the question is that given? 2x plus y. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 for answer. You write it there. Next question. Y equal to 3x plus 1. So filling the column for they are given in x value all the value. X equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2 is that given. You find in the y value. X equal to minus 1. First one. This is the second question. X equal to 0. This is the third one. X equal to 1. X equal to 2. This and all the 4 steps is have in the sum. Y equal to what is the question? 3x plus 1. So 3 into x value is minus 1 plus 1. So 3 into 1 equal to minus 3. 1 3 is 3 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 equal to, subtract the number. 3 minus 1 is 2. Greater number symbol is minus. Y equal to minus 2. Next 3 0. 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Next x equal to 1. Y equal to 3x plus 1. 3 into 1 plus 1. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Y equal to 4. Next one, x equal to 2, y equal to 3x plus 1 for x value substitute 2. 3 2s are into bracket meaning is into. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So, what is the question? Y equal to 3x plus 1 equal to, write it the question. Tabular column, minus 1 for what is the answer? Minus 2. 0 for answer is 1. 0 for answer is 1. 1 for answer is 4. 2 answer is 7. So put in the column. Exercise 3.9 is completed. So graph all the sums completed. Thank you.